Get ready for a wild ride as Hurricane Erin is set to unleash its fury on parts of Virginia and the U.S. East Coast. This powerful storm is a real force to be reckoned with, and its impact is already being felt. Life-threatening conditions are expected to persist for at least a few more days, according to officials. The storm has already soaked areas along the Atlantic coastline, including the iconic North Carolina Outer Banks. Tropical storm conditions are predicted to continue there on Thursday, and Virginia is next in line. Further north, including parts of New England, high wind warnings have been issued. Although Erin is not expected to make landfall, its effects are widespread. Beaches are being closed, and the threat of flooding and road closures is very real. This hurricane is no small matter. It's a large and growing force with maximum sustained winds of approximately 105 miles per hour. 165 kilometers per hour. The National Weather Service, NWS, has issued a stark warning. Life-threatening surf and Vic currents will be churning up and down the East Coast for the next couple of days. Rip currents are powerful flows of water that can drag humans out to sea, and the powerful waves associated with this storm pose an additional threat to swimmers. Beachgoers are advised to heed the warnings of lifeguards and local authorities, and to pay attention to beach warning flags. But here's where it gets controversial. The 2025 hurricane season is expected to be busier than usual, with weather experts predicting an above-average number of storms. Warmer sea temperatures, influenced by climate change, and generally favorable atmospheric conditions are to blame. However, cuts to American research funding are raising concerns about the ability to track and prepare for these deadly storms effectively. In North Carolina, still reeling from last year's Hurricane Helene, a state of emergency was declared earlier this week. Governor Josh Stein implored swimmers to stay out of the water after dozens of people needed to be rescued off Wrightsville Beach on Monday. The communities of Hatteras and Ocracoke in the Outer Banks were ordered to evacuate, as there was a fear they could become isolated from other islands. Carol Dillon, a 96-year-old motel owner on Hatteras, shared her concerns with the BBC's U.S. partner, CBS News. She fears the storm could erode the land her premises are built on, potentially causing significant damage. "This is our livelihood," she said. "We could lose those 2 buildings that are in the water right now. I'm hoping we won't. I do a lot of praying." Erin, the first hurricane of the 2025 Atlantic season, reached Category 5 status on Saturday. Its strength has fluctuated since then, and it's currently designated as a Category 2 hurricane. In Turks and Caicos, an overseas British territory, public services were suspended on the largest island while the storm passed. More than 150,000 people in Puerto Rico were left without power after high winds damaged electricity lines. According to local energy company Luma, this hurricane is a reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature and the importance of preparedness and caution. As we navigate these challenging times, it's crucial to stay informed and take necessary precautions. What are your thoughts on the impact of climate change on hurricane seasons? Do you think enough is being done to prepare for and mitigate the effects of these powerful storms? Let's discuss in the comments.